Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to go ahead and discuss the importance of saving all your information to your drive. And when I mean information, I mean files and folders that are stored locally on your computer that are not saved to the Google Cloud. We want to go ahead and move those over to the Google Cloud. So if you have files, any loose files, any folders that are just stored locally, whether they're in your documents or your downloads or your desktop on your computer, you want to go ahead and move those over to the cloud. You have a couple of different options. So if you have some files that are maybe saved in your documents that aren't necessarily in a folder stored locally on your computer, and you don't want to put them in a folder, what you can do is come on over to Drive, and you can just put them into a folder quickly in Drive. And when you have time, you can go through and sort them and organize them in Drive, but at least they will be saved and off of your computer. So let's go ahead and see how we can upload just individual files the neatest way, cleanest way possible. So you can go to Drive and click on New. What you would do in here, I would suggest creating a new folder, at least in here, even if you have different file types or they're just not organized in any type of way locally on your computer. I would at least put them all here, and then you can go through them once they're up here. So we can call this test 3 for the purpose of this video, and then hit create. All right, and then from there, what you can do is go to the test folder that you created, or that I created, obviously, right? But it'll be named whatever you want it to be. Whatever that folder is, you click in it, and then you can go in here, click on new again, and then you can upload the different files. You'll have your pop-up window once you click on file upload, and you'll be able to see all the files that you want to upload. You just simply click on them and select open is going to be the option, but open is really just uploading it here. All right, so let's say you have folders that are already created and saved locally, and you just want to bring that whole entire folder over. You can do that as well. You just simply click on folder upload. You go here, and then it'll give you the option to be able to upload the folders that you have saved already. The good thing about that is it does actually keep the name as well. So if you have folders that are, if it's labeled, saved for Chrome or whatever on your local storage, it'll be named that when you bring it over here as well. If you like the color option and you want to organize how mine are organized, you can just simply click on the 3 dots next to the folder, go to organize, and then you can change the color to whatever you want to change it to. The importance of this is just to make sure that if anything happens, say your computer gets damaged or just turns off one day and doesn't turn back on, at least you have something saved in the cloud and not just local storage. So if you have any questions or need any assistance, please reach out to IT. Hope you guys enjoy your day.